A nuclear verdict is a $10 million plus jury award that can end a fleet. It's often punishment for perceived negligence, not just damages. And in court, it's rarely only about the crash. Plaintiff attorneys build an emotional story and uses your paperwork, or your gaps, against you. These verdicts are climbing fast, with hotspots like California, Florida, and Texas seeing a heavy share of the biggest awards. Most of the time, they're attacking what happened before the wreck: negligent hiring, negligent training, and negligent supervision. Red flags include inconsistent policies, check-the-box training, and weak enforcement. A manual that collects dust won't protect you. And documentation gaps become ammunition. Missing driver file items, maintenance records, or post-accident testing paperwork can quickly turn into "you cut corners." Here's what that looks like. A few HOS issues months earlier, with no documented coaching, get spun into a pattern. Then it becomes a culture story, not a one-off mistake. For owners, this isn't just a claim. These verdicts can blow past limits, spike premiums, and threaten the business you've built. Consistency and documentation are your shield. Every coaching, warning, and retraining step needs a clear paper trail. Start with who you put behind the wheel. Keep driver qualification files complete, accurate, and consistently updated. Don't just set it and forget it. That means a complete application, annual MBR reviews, documented prior employer checks, and signed road test certification. Then go beyond annual training. Build continuous, real-world training, defensive driving, cargo securement, distracted driving, etc., and document who trained, what was covered, and when. Use progressive discipline and apply it the same way for every driver. Picking who gets a pass is a gift to the plaintiff's attorney. And don't forget your tools. ELDs, telematics, and cameras aren't just compliance tech. Used proactively, they help you spot risk, coach drivers, and prove you actively manage safety. Reactive safety is like buying the extinguisher after the fire. Proactive safety builds your defense before anything happens and creates the documentation that holds up in court. So the playbook is simple. Airtight DQ files, continuous documented training, consistent discipline, solid maintenance records, and data-driven coaching. Next step. Review your safety program for gaps now, before a crash puts your records under a microscope. If you want help building a defensible safety program, learn more at My Safety Manager.